Welcome back. Today we're gonna dive into list of data to show vertically in SwiftUI, so please stay tuned. Let's start coding here. For example, we have some items we want to display. Items, we have apple, we have banana, we have cherry, for example, like it says. What else? We have date, we have orange, okay, we have 4 items, for example. Yeah. We want to show it in a list, right? It's simple in SwiftUI. It's just we use list, and inside we point items, ID, self, item in, and we text. Okay, this is a simple way. Okay, let's just launch and see it for ourselves how it's look like. Installing, it's just installing. As you can see here, it's progress here. It's installing. Okay, as you can see here, these are simple list. Apple, banana, cherry, orange, all of the data is here. It's great. Now let's understand how to improve this list through some customization, optimization. We can add images, of course. We can add buttons and other interface elements. This way we can just allow us to add interactivity, right, and visual appeal to our application. Let's just try to add some image and button. Okay, we'll leave the list the same. We just have some work here inside. We have stack, and we put some image, system name, maybe some leaf, foreground color, let's say green, and we put some text, item, font, headline, we put some spacer, of course, and button, button with action, let's print what we tapped. Item selected, image, the system name, let's put info circle, okay, I made some little update here. Let's just relaunch our application and see what we got. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit better, right? It's a little bit customized. It looks more, as you can see, It looks more interactive, more attractive, I would say. It has visual attractiveness. Simple, as you can see. We made some icons here, image icons. We had some buttons. Yeah, it looks really good, right? Okay. And next, what we can do with our list, we can group elements using sections. Yeah, so we can divide data logically, as like we can use headers, footers for sections. Okay, let's try sections here. we can delete this whole thing. Yes, and these two. We have list and we have section. This is how we do it. Section, header. Okay, header, text, fruits. Okay, and in this section we will use for each element. Let's add here, let's make some changes here. We have, for example, fruits. It's like these elements. Okay, let's and we have some vegetables, for example, like vegetables. Yeah, carrot, onion, yeah, whatever. That's good. And in this section of header, we will use fruits only. Fruits with ID. Okay, this section of header is ready. Okay, now let's make another section that will show only vegetables. That's it. Okay, as you can see here, we have list. We have one section header. It's for fruits list here. We created items for fruits, and we created another items here for vegetables, and we use these vegetables in this second section here, header here. Okay, looks good. Now let's test it. Let's relaunch our application. Okay, as you can see, look, we have fruit sections: apple, banana, cherry, orange. We have vegetable section with carrot, lettuce, onion, tomato. Here, it looks really great, right? Okay, we handled this section, grouping elements section, because in this section will really help users to navigate through the data more easily, and find what they need. Let's go on. Okay, the next, let's talk about some swipe actions. Right, they make it much easier, like for example, to delete or edit list of items. Okay, let's try that. We delete body here. Okay, we'll leave items. We'll leave one of the list here. Okay, we have list. We have list. We for each items. ID self. We have text. text item, for example. We add here swipe actions, right? Swipe actions, some button. We want to add some role to this button. Role. Would we want it to be destructive? If let index items first index of item, then items remove at index. Yeah. Label, we add some label delete with some system image trash, right? For example, right? Trash. Okay, here let's make it as a state private var it says button. We have text items, swipe actions, button, and we don't need that, we just need only roles here. Role destructive. If let index items first index of item, items remove at index, and after that we have label. Seems alright. What is extra trailing closure? Okay, maybe we forgot some. No, it looks like it's alright. Expected after if. Ah, yeah, I didn't put anything here, right? Yeah, like this. Now we put one of this. Okay, now I think it looks good. As you can see here, we have a list. We have we've iterated through this list, through these items. We use some text, and in the text we use some swipe actions button to delete certain item from the list. Let's check this out. Launch. Okay, you see? Data is deleted. Once more. Yeah. Okay, look. Swiping and deleting. Swiping, deleting. Swiping, deleting.